Come sit with me for a little while. There's an old tree near me. It isn't the tallest tree anymore, and it isn't the prettiest. One side of its trunk carries the scars of lightning. Some of its branches are twisted, others have been broken away for years. The tree could talk. I imagine it would have quite a story to tell. It has stood through droughts when the ground cracked beneath it. It has been in storms that tried to pull it from the earth. It has faced winds that stripped away the leaves and winters that left it look lifeless. And yet, every spring, tiny green leaves appear again. The tree doesn't waste time wishing it looked younger. It doesn't compare itself to saplings growing nearby. It simply does what it's created to do. It keeps growing. I wonder how many of us are like that tree. Life leaves its marks on all of us. We lose people we love. We watch dreams change. We carry disappointments no one else can see. And sometimes we look in the mirror and only notice the scars. But perhaps those scars don't tell the story of what broke us. Perhaps they tell the story of what we survived. The strongest people I've ever met aren't the ones that had an easy life. They're the ones who kept choosing kindness after heartbreak, hope after disappointment, and love after loss. Maybe today you feel a little wavered. Maybe you have been through a storm that no one knows about. If that's you, I hope you remember the old tree. It doesn't stand because life has been gentle with it. It stands because its roots keep reaching deeper. And maybe that's where your strength is too. Not in pretending life hasn't been hard, but in quietly choosing to stand one more time. Thank you for sitting with me today. Until next time, be gentle with yourself and never forget that even the oldest tree still grows. If you'd like to grow with me, laugh with me, and even cry with me, don't forget to subscribe.